Hello guys, I got rebuilt car, so I'm going 3 hours away from my home. So enjoy the video, like and subscribe.
Thank you. Oh, it's damage over here. I didn't see this coming. So it's damage. Need to be pulled out. Push it off. AC condenser is not bad. Okay, this size fine. This size bad. Just push in to push out. See, they fix the body shop can do that. And the fender, I don't know, they can fix that. And the hood, maybe. This is not bad car. What the heck is this? What's up? There's something inside here. Oh, nice. Ooh, what? I have extra tire. Nice. I have every parts I need. Woohoo! Yes, I didn't buy any. Oh, the bumper. I need to buy that to have this. Thanks God. Oh, that is super clean car. Oh, it's full leather. I don't know about that. It's almost. It's not straight clean. No, they take that one. Okay. Over here. That thing. It's almost 7,000. Oh, there is a push start too. Nice. Okay, you will start too. Nice. Oh, it's full fuel. Amazing. I need fuel too. So take the start. And then you grab the car. Let's go. Okay, I'm bringing the car down now. That's how it works, I think. Oh, the bumper. I can do it. Where's the me now? Ooh, on the edge. Okay, come out. I'm going down. You can see it. Okay. So this one is pushed back. So on body shop they will bring it back. This one's not broken. Perfect. With bumper, 2 lights. If they fix the hood, I don't know. They might fix it. And then this fender. They can fix this fender. It's not that much bad. Interior wise, it's so clean. I think they clean it. They clean it. I think one of the lights fine. I think. So it is automatic opening. So wonderful. Oh, more light saving. I was broken over here, but fine. So one satellite's fine. Oh, this one is. Okay. There's stuff down there. There's the bolts. Yep, I'll check it tomorrow again. And then the fuel is full. I don't know why they make it fuel. Fuel's full. Oh my. That's max. I think no checking your light. Yes, no checking your lights. Perfect. Fuel is full. I don't know why it's full. Only this knob's broken. It's not broken. I can put it back. I think it's broken over here, so it's perfect. So I'll start working tomorrow on this car. This is okay, and there is a sunroof. I think the push start works too. Let me try that. Or the hood needs to be closed. I don't know. Okay, I think the hood needs to close because of that doesn't start. Over here, this is fine. The batteries push in because of this guy. I think this guy is fine too, so I don't need to replace the whole thing. Oh, the bumper hole was fine too. That was broken. But it's kind of fine. Oh, it's fine. This one's bolting over here. So if I do that over here, if I bolt this guy, it's gonna be fine. I'll do it again with two things. See you tomorrow then. Here the fog lights fine, only the cover is bad. There's a cover over here, only the black piece is gone or smashed up. And the bumper foam protector, there is, you don't need to buy that. And the fog light, this guy is fine. Inside here, there's too many parts. Fog light is broken. There's the bolts. This piece of lawn is so expensive. I don't know why. But I can save money for this one too. Now I'm going to order parts after this, but I'm not going to order fender and hood. I'm going to order bumper, the grills, one headlight, one fog light cover, horn. There is more, and over there is a cover down here, black cover. I don't know the name. This one's not broken. Nice. So yeah, all those things are going to order. Okay, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.